Once again.
Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. Yes guys, can you see me? I'm looking fly, I'm looking pretty, and this video should be up up already and done with. All right, so go check it out. This is my anniversary, my Valentine's makeup look. I'm gonna do a quick haul for you. So this will be from the dollar store, Shoppers Drug Mart, that's a pharmacy, and they sell groceries, and it's a completing post office and thing, all of that there. Okay, and I have a bag of clothes from Urban Planet. All right, start with the cheapest one. These are, I bought two of them. This one is $4 at the dollar store, maybe for something with tax. And this one can go for big people, for kids, for Valentine's. It says here, the Beanie Boos collection. Smoochies for us, it's not just puppy love. We fit together like a glove. My birthday is February 4th, and the name is right here, Smoochies. And if you pull this one off, the name will always be on the tag, so that's why I like these one. My daughter has a collection now. She has few upstairs in her bed, and so I got her this one. It's really pretty, really cuddly and soft. So one down, and I got her the pink one as well, the same thing. This one, I think it's a she now, because this one is pink, has pink eyes, and it has a heart, good for Valentine's, for birthdays. This one name is Romeo, and it says, this special day I give you my heart, treat it well and we will never part. Oh, so it's all about love. And this one is Romeo, and this one is Smoochies. All right, that's it, that's enough. This is the Shoppers Drug Mart haul. All right, I got this One Moment, One Direction. All right, we're gonna unbox it and we're gonna look at it together. Valentine's, for birthday. If you, I love perfume. Whichever day of the year, I'm gonna buy it if I like it. So this one is That Moment, One Direction. I have one that says One Moment, but this one is That Moment. All right, let's unbox this one. This is so pretty. Can you see how pretty it is? Ooh, super pretty. I love it. Has a little crown like a queen or princess. Oh, oh. I love it. I am in love. Happy Valentine's to me. Happy anniversary to me. It smells amazing. Since we're on the ladies side, I bought this before, but I want to show you. It's a Guess Girl, and it's a big one, 3.4 ounces, 100 ml, right, that one. So I love this one. Yes, I wait until they are on sale, and you know me, a sale girl. I got all of these I'm showing you for $19.99 at Shoppers Drug Mart, and with tax it's like $22.50, I think, 22 something. And yeah, so I wait. All right, and this one is the Guess Girl. I have different type of Guess upstairs, but this one, it reached my heart with love. It's really pretty and it smells good. Get this one for you ladies. for Valentine's, for Christmas, for birthday, anniversary. Grab up on this. I can't just buy for myself. I have to buy for my son and my husband. Now this one is the Jaguar. Oh, my husband is using one right now. This one is Classic Red, and this one I give my son. This is what he's using now. Smells amazing. So that's the Jaguar Classic Red, and that's what my son is using. I bought it in this package, so that is the reason I'm showing you. I bought it with these. All right, now I bought two for my husband, and first one is, I like to smell them a little bit. This one is Pinguin Original Blend. All right, all right. And the bottle is like this. It's like retro classic. It says classic too. Let me take a moment. If you love men to have that muscular, come get some. This is the one. This is the one, guys. This is the one for your husband. I love to hug, and I love my husband in a clean, fresh, strong scent. Not strong as in bad, strong as in fresh, and you just wanna sniff him like a dog. Yeah, ask my husband about me. I love to hug him, and I love to get a good smell off him. Yeah, so this is the one. Yes, this is speaking my language, guys. Yes, this one is Guess for men. All right, let's unbox this one. Dust. Ooh, I haven't smelled this one yet, guys. Ooh, it's like retro. It's really classic. All right, let's smell on this hand. I'm out of space now. Fan it off a little bit before it. No words. I'm gonna let that speak for you guys. Guess is the best. Anything. Guess shoes, guess shirt, guess perfume, guess cologne, guess. Yes, foundation. These are just some samples. I always take samples when they give me. It's what you call it. This jump skirt. It's like a jumper onesie, and regular price it's $39.99, and I pay $10 for it, guys. And these are wax jeans. They're stretchy to fit, and I got two of them. Can you see this one? The same thing. One of them, I think I'm gonna cut this part off and just leave the skirt. So I'm gonna have one jumper and one skirt, and I paid same $10, and they're stretchy. I got it at the thrift store. I went for a jeans hunt, and I paid $9 for it. I really love it. Look at it. I love it. So I buy this one at the thrift store for $9. It's Valley Village here. And I paid $15 for these jeans, size 11, and they are Ibiza, and they're stretch jeans. They're high waist, and this one will hide all of my tummy area, and you just cuff the leg, and they're like that. I love the waist, really high. All right, those are the jeans. Now we get into the stretch material. Let me show you guys. Sorry, it has some string at the side. I really love it. And this little cute dress I also picked up at Value Village for $10. It's really cute. It's Zara, and it's Zara. Really nice and blingy. You can wear it with your sneakers, with my white Adidas or my Nike, or some slippers or sandals. Or you can dress it up and wear a heels, go to the club, go to the party, go for dinner. You can rock this, guys. You can do it. Yeah, only $10. And I also got this one at, I just put those 3 items I got from Value Village in the same bag. And this one is U2B. I love these dresses. I have them upstairs in all different colors, white, black, red, and I think pinkish. And now I have this one. They are really nice, fit so good. I have this dress in the red, and so at that time I paid the regular price for it, which is $29.99. I saw these on sale for only $7, guys. And the back have a little cut out in it like that. That's the back, and that's the front. To your knee, really sexy. I got the pink, and you can't go wrong in a sexy black dress. I also got it, the same one, in the black, because you can't go wrong in black. Ooh, yes. All right. With this hairstyle and this makeup, oh yes, even the pink one too. Oh, lots of sequins. And I also got this cute, short, sexy, long sleeve. It's like pink and black. I have one of this in the sleeveless, I think. And it's only $7. Regular price $29.99. It's a top, and you're gonna wear it like this. It's gonna fit right at your navel or a little bit above. Then you have to wear high waist jeans like the one I show you, or a high waist skirt. And this one is really nice. It's kind of funky at the sleeve, flare, and it cuts to your bust. This one is extra large. It's revamp, and this one is $24.99, and you get, when you buy the second one, you get 80% off. So 80% off 25, how much is that? I don't know. So that's the black. And Valentine's is around the corner, birthday celebration. I also got it in the red. Can you see how pretty it is, guys? Ooh, look at that. It's so pretty. With a nice black high waist skirt. Ooh, leather skirt with some heels. Oh, child. All right, guys, so that's it. I think it's about 105. That's it. That's my little haul for you and my perfume unboxing from Shoppers Drug Mart. Love upon me, and I love upon you. One love, and be blessed. This is a long video. Oh my god, I better cut it down really fast. Bye, guys. Remember God. Blessings and love always. Bye, guys.